What's up, everyone? This is Kentucky Fried Nines. While we were trying to take Sailor Anime home, guess what came in with us? One of our cats!
Oh, put the window no.
Max is going nuts. We found a cat. I was like, and I'm like, did you guys hear a mouse? She's like, no. And then I'm like, something's back there, and I'm like, oh my god.
You get out and go in. Don't let it walk all over my gosh. Mom, look, it's walking across the dash. Natalie, you go in and play with Maximus.
Hi, Boo Boo. How are you, buddy? Oh my god. There's a cat.
I know. Well, shut the door. You get out, though. I'll be back.
Hey, Maximus. I miss you. This is the concrete. What is... We found a cat. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Bacon Ninja Chop.
He don't understand about it.
Hey, man. Bacon Ninja Chop.